Okay. So good evening and Jai Hind, everyone. We welcome you all to this platform to bring awareness of our action towards nature and mankind. So presenting Sunbeam School Mughal Sarai, Class 8C, with their Abhivyakti on sustainable development. I now hand over the charge to the promising anchors to mesmerize you all with their content.
Okay.
Over to you, Devangi and Sonali.
Spend some time outdoors, exploring where you live. When you love your home, you will fight harder to protect it. A very warm good evening and Jai Hind, everyone. It's an honor itself to honor this beautiful audience who has gathered here. I, Devangi Dubey, with my classmate Sonali, welcome you all on behalf of Class 8C on this platform of Abhivyakti.
We take this opportunity to welcome and thank respected Rajesh sir and all the teachers for rendering their precious time and blessing us with.
We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, borrow it from our children. This is a very wise proverb and one that is very important. The words here are not the words teachers and children, but the difference between the words inherit and everyone owns it. This sense
When we borrow something, then we need to take care of it. We cannot do anything that we want because we not own it. We only have one earth and we need to take better care of it for our children and grandchildren.
So now I would like to invite Abhishek Singh for telling you more about sustainability.
Good evening.
Good evening and Jain, respected teacher, honorable guest, and my dear friends. This is Abhishek Singh Yadav present before you to define sustainable development. As we all know, resources are getting exhausted. If needs doesn't get balanced, renewable resources can become very scarce and the non-renewable one can definitely get exhausted. Balancing the need to use resources and also to conserve them for future is called sustainable development. We should carefully utilize the resources so that beside meeting the requirement of present also take care of future generation. Ignoring the issue of sustainable development has many possible consequences such as rising sea level, extreme drought, soil erosion and loss of forest. There is also increasing evidence that issues such as water scarcity play a role in internal role and regional conflict.
Thank you, Abhishek. What's on your mind becomes what's in your life. With this beautiful thought, I would like to call upon Bani to show the templates of students of class 8C. We have written our ideas about what sustainability means to us.
Thank you, Bani. Now I would like to invite Srishti to share her ideas on sustainability through a video.
Now, I would like to invite Anjali with a very inspirational and beautiful self-composed poem.
Jai Hind everyone, I Anjali is here to present a short poem on sustainable development. The poem is Take Me to the Dry Deserts, No Use of Flowers Blooming in Chemicals. Let me adapt my own world, no use of wind blowing for pollution. Let me adapt my own world. Let's grow plants in sand better than using poison. Let's make art of future great than building history. Let's listen our hearts in the measure of modernization. Thank you.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Here is a beautiful dance performance by me and my classmates showing what Mother Nature feels and how we can save her.
Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?
अगर सुन लो जो संभले न हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा ये बहती सी नदिया का ये पानी रुक जाएगा कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं कैसा ये समाज है करना हो हाथों में आज है मौका ये अपना गवाए रे टिक 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 जो सब ये खाए रे प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 जो सब ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
Some call me nature.
Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?
अगर सुन लो जो संभले न हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा ये बहती सी नदिया का ये पानी रुक जाएगा
कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं कैसा ये समाज है
कल ना हो हाथों में आज है
मौका ये अपना गवाए रे टिक 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 जो सब ये खाए रे टिक 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 टिक
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
टिक 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 जो सब ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे
Wow, that was amazing. Next, I would like to call Guru Nandan to share his PPT with us.
Jain and good morning. My name is Gunandan and I am here to speak on my topic sustainable development. My first topic is what is sustainable development? It means that development should take place without compromising the needs of the future generation. The 6 principles of sustainable development are first, conservation of ecosystem, second, development of sustainable society, third, conservation of biodiversity, fourth, control of population growth, fifth, development of human resources, sixth, promotion of public participation. Steps taken towards sustainable development. Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit 1992. In June 1992, more than 100 heads of states met in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil for the first Earth Summit or the first International Earth Summit. The summit was convened for addressing adjacent problems for environmental protection and socio-economic development at the global level. The assembled leaders signed the Declaration on Global Climatic Change and Biological Diversity. The Rio Convention endorsed the Global Forest Principles and adopted Agenda 21 for achieving sustainable development in the 21st century. Agenda 21. It is the declaration signed by the world leaders in 1992 at United Nations Conference at Environmental and Development, which took place at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It aims at achieving global sustainable development. It is an agenda to combat environmental damage, poverty, disease through global cooperation on common interests, mutual needs, and shared responsibilities. One major objective of the Agenda 21 is that every local government should draw its own local Agenda 21. Conclusion. At the core of idea of sustainability is the matter of meeting people's need for home, job, etc. If we don't take care of the environment in which we live now, we don't have anything to leave for the future generations.
That was really good and informative. Hey Sonali, can I ask you one question about our class?
Yeah, sure.
Can you name one of our classmates who is really very good at art?
No, because I am a new student and also I did not get an opportunity to know my classmate due to this devil coronavirus. I hate it.
Oh, wait, I am telling you. So please welcome Anjali with another talent of sketching, which will take off your stress in moments. Also, this will be done live, which is a great challenge for us. So over to Anjali. We'll move to the next performance. So next I would like to invite Achyuta for presenting a video made by her.
Through the video, I was trying to convey these points. First point, sustainable development is the organizing principle for meeting human development goals that is conducted without depletion of natural resources. Second point, it is very essential as the growing population and industrialization have the biggest effect on depletion of natural resources, and sustainability will continue economic growth without damaging resources. Third point, there are some goals set for sustainability. I will explain important five of them. First, no poverty means ending poverty in all its forms everywhere. Second, zero hunger means end hunger by providing food security and improve nutrition facilities. Third point, good health and well-being ensure healthy lives and promote well-being. Fourth, quality education means promoting inclusive and quality education. Fifth, gender equality means protesting against gender discrimination. Fourth point, some exhaustible resources such as fossil fuels and some minerals should be protected by some measures such as using 3Rs, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Use energy sources from nature such as solar energy, wind energy, hydraulic energy, which can provide a great help to sustainability. Thank you, and remember to make a better tomorrow. Jai Hind.
Now I would ask Anjali to continue her sketching.
Anjali, are you listening me, beta? Anjali, am I audible to you? Yes, now better. Yeah. This I was saying. Keep now. It's okay, beta. Continue. Anjali, continue. It's okay now. Yeah.
Jai Hind everyone. I have prepared a sketch on the topic sustainable development. In this sketch, the girl is depicting the humankind and the symbol is showing the development within ecosystem. Altogether, it is showing how humans will be united and are interdependent on flora and fauna for development beyond social means and aspects. Thank you.
Wow, that was amazing, marvelous, fabulous, superb, lovely, class. Whew. There is no limit of words to describe this performance. Now, here is Rupal with her PPT.
Good evening and Jai Hind, respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends. I am Rupal Raj of class 8C, going to present PPT on topic sustainable development. Introduction. The term sustainable development first came to prominence in the World Conservation Strategy WCS in 1980. Gro Harlem Brundtland first introduced the concept of sustainable development in 1987. He was then the Prime Minister of Norway and the Chairman of World Commission of Environment and Development. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development is a development that meets the need of present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. We should use the resources wisely without damaging the environment, keeping in mind the need of future generations. This can be achieved by making the right balance using the resources. Features of sustainable development. All type of pollution should be minimized. Sensible use of natural resources, restricting human beings. It minimizes the depletion of natural resources. Example of sustainable development. Solar energy. The greatest advantages of solar energy are that it is completely free and it is available in limitless supply. Both of these factors provide a huge benefit to consumers and help reduce pollution. Wind energy. Wind energy is use of wind to provide mechanical power through wind turbines to turn the electricity generator for electric power. It is the most popular sustainable renewable source of power that has much smaller impact on environment compared to fossil fuels. Desired outcomes of sustainable development: clean water and air, fertile soil and good food, a livelihood and a healthy economy, an optimum population size, halting global warming, safety from poverty and disease. Now that brings us to the end, and I would like to thank you for your interest and attention. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Music expresses that which cannot be said and on which it is impossible to be silent. So here is Abhishek Bhattacharya with a beautiful song.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. I believe it's not too late. Together we can change the world. Lay the puzzle's pieces out. Find out what it's all about. Together we can change the world. Can't do it by myself, so I'm asking for your help. Together we can change the world. Sail past where it's been started. Roll your sleeves up, let's get started. Together we can change the world. Together we can change the world. With our hearts and with our hands, we can dare to make a start. Together we can change the world. What if we spoke with one voice, knowing that we have a choice? Together we can change the world. Can't do it by myself, so I'm asking for your help. Together we can change the world. Still past where it's been charted. Roll your sleeves up, let's get started. Together we can change the world. Together we can change the world. Change your life, set aside the fear inside. Together we can change the world. When we open up our eyes, then we start to realize. Together we can change the world. Can't do it by myself, so I'm asking for your help. Together we can change the world. Don't pass where it's been shattered. Roll your sleeves up, let's get started. Together we can change the world. Together we can change the world.
Wow, that was fantastic. We have another composer in our class, and that is Amrita. So I would ask Amrita to present her self-composed poem.
Good evening and Jai Hind everyone. This is Amrita Kushwaha and I am going to recite a poem on sustainable development written by me. Tons of pollution made. Now it's time to save for a better tomorrow forever to replenish the beauty of our mother. The damage isn't reversible. Don't wait for a great trouble. Young people, you have a significance. Show the power of your pen because a small change can cause a big difference. For your eyes needs to be opened, for your heart needs to feel. Enough is enough. The destruction of Mother Earth is real. Humans, you are an important resource. It's to save yourself in due course. Thank you and Jai Hind.
After this mesmerizing performance, I would like Devangi to take over to present her PPT as well as essay on sustainability.
Good evening and Jai Hind everyone. This is Devangi Dubey and I am going to share my ideas on what is sustainability, what consequences are happened when we do not follow sustainability and what can be done to do it. So let's get started. But before starting, I would like to ask you a riddle of which answer I'll tell you at last. So let's get started and see what's the riddle first. The riddle is, what word in the English language does the following? The first two letters signify a male, the first three letters signify a female, the first four letters signify a great, while the entire word signify a great woman. What is the word? Answer not now, at the last of the presentation. So let's move ahead. Before going on to the topic, I would like to tell the greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. We always think that what happens if we not follow something, but it's a great thing. A sea is made by a drop of water. Our topic is sustainability. First, listening to this word, what comes in our mind? What is sustainability? Sustainability is the maintenance of resources so that they can fulfill our needs now as well as in future. It means to use resources wisely and conserve for our future. 4 scientific principles of sustainability are reliance on solar energy, biodiversity, nutrient recycling, and population control. Now, I would like to tell you the consequences that are there by not following sustainable development. The first consequence is starvation and poverty. About 800 million people go hungry every day. So we can think that a huge amount of people are going hungry every day. Efforts to stop hunger, starvation, and poverty in the world has come to halt. Yet we have more food than we can eat. How is this happening? By overgrazing, farmland and wetland loss degradation, overfishing, coastal pollution, soil erosion, soil salinization, soil water logging, water shortages, loss of biodiversity, and poor nutrition. The next consequence is rainforest. The rainforest has been decreased from 14% to 6%. It's a huge amount. It is estimated that it could be gone by 21st century. So just we can imagine that how the world will be after 21st century. The rainforests are depleting due to developmental activities, deforestation, which washes the topsoil and the land becomes barren, global warming, which causes less rainfall. The next consequence is air pollution. Air stratospheric ozone depletion, urban air pollution, acid deposition, outdoor pollutants and indoor pollutants. How does it happen? It happens due to fossil fuels coming from car and truck exhaust, factories, dust, pollen grains, mold spores, volcanoes and wildfires. Microbial disposing process, open burning of garbage, and smoking. The next consequence is global warming, which is a great thing right now. It causes drought, stresses ecosystem, water shortages are there, increased fire threat, salt invasion, storm damage, and heat waves. How does global warming happen? Global warming happened due to excess release of greenhouse gases, variations in sun's intensity, industrial activity, agriculture activity, deforestation, oil drilling, and power plants. We can see here that how the graph of global warming has released year by year. In 2020, it reached to 1, which is a great thing for us. Let's move to the next consequence, which is water pollution. Disappearance of biodiversity and aquatic ecosystem, alteration in food chain, and illness. How does it happen? It happens due to sediment, nutrient overload, toxic chemicals, infectious agents, oxygen depletion, pesticides, oil spill, and excess heat. Sixth consequence is waste production. Generation of methane gas, soil, water, and air contamination, impact on human health. It happens due to industrial and commercial growth, lack of financial management, oil spills, illegal dumping, pesticides, and other farming chemicals. Next consequence is biodiversity depletion, habitat destruction, habitat degradation, and extinction. We can see that how day by day we are causing biodiversity depletion. It causes due to climate change, deforestation, habitat loss, overexploitation, pollution, hunting, and fishing. These were the consequences, and now we need to understand what are the importance of sustainability. It makes ecosystem balanced for future uses, development, and balanced economy. How can we achieve sustainability? We can achieve sustainability by having knowledge, least plastic, less wants, by planting more trees, by doing waste management, using alternative sources like solar energy, by following 5 Rs. We should have love towards nature, zero wastage of natural resources. We should think selflessly and increase awareness. And we also need to make a balance. Now, balance between what? We need to balance technology and production with ecosystem and demand. Now, we need to learn to live more sustainably. Pollution cleanup, we need to change to pollution prevention. Waste disposal, we need to change to waste prevention. Protecting species, we need to do protecting habitat. And environmental degradation, we need to do environmental restoration. Next is increasing resource use. We need to do less resource waste. Population growth, that we need to change to population stabilization. Depleting and degrading natural capital is to be changed to protecting natural capital. By following sustainable development, we are saving our 5 elements of earth, which are air, water, sun, sky, and ether. The main idea is that we must act responsibly so that resources on planet will be able to support many generations to come. Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Now, this was my PPT, and now I would like to share my essay with you. So, I would like to read it for you. Environment can be wisely described to the words of Mr. Walt Disney. Landscapes of great wonder and beauty lie under our feet and all around us. They are discovered in tunnels in the ground, the heart of flowers, the hollows of trees, freshwater ponds, seaweed jungles between tides, and even drops of water. Life in these hidden worlds is more startling in reality than anything we can imagine. Sustainability is simply everything that we need for our survival and well being, either directly or indirectly from the environment. It creates and maintains the conditions under which humans and nature can exist in harmony, that allows fulfilling the social, economic, and other requirements of present as well as future. Look after the land, and the land will look after you. Destroy the land, and it will destroy you. Use of alternative and renewable resources of energy and conservation are two sides of the coin of sustainability. The need and desires of human have increased these days, which is leading to the depletion of natural resources. But we people are very careful to the things which our child has to get. So on listening of depletion of natural resources, we got aware and looked out for alternative resources which are both eco-friendly and renewable. Hydropower, solar energy, biomass energy, geothermal energy, oceanic energy, etc. are used. Eco-friendly or going green is the latest way of life. Eco-friendly Eco-friendly refer to those goods and services which are considered to have negligible or no harm on the environment. People are using natural fibers like khadi, jute, cotton, paper bags, jute bags, use of CNG, minimizing use of plastic, banning use of poisonous chemicals as DDT, etc. They are the need of the hour. It is good to see the it is good to well see seeing these it is good to welcoming seeing these modifications happening in our lifestyles and habits. Eco-friendly living and sustainable development are surely two of much needed novice ways to save our Mother Earth. And this again is good for us and for our comfortable survival on Earth. It is our turn now to contribute our bit to Mother Earth by adopting measures of eco-friendly and sustainable development. Technology can also be an important part of sustainable development, but only partly. The key will be to nurture a culture that has discipline, patience, and courage to look beyond short-term solutions. At last, I would like to say the great challenge of the 21st century is to raise people everywhere to a decent standard of living while preserving as much as of the rest life as possible. Now comes the riddle's answer. Any guesses?
It will be heroine.
Did you
Is
use
it female?
Chrome, Google Baba? No, Gurunandan was right. It's heroine. The first two letters denotes a male. The first three letters denotes a female. The first four letters denote a great, and the whole words denote a female. So the answer is heroine. I'll end up here. Thank you and Jai Hind. Now here is a rap song to remind you of the 17th Sustainable Development Goal by United Nations.
On behalf of IIHM, we commit ourselves to all the 17 Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations that will transform the world.
17 Sustainable Development Goals. Let's get to them cause the more you know.
Look, in some corners of the world today, people are living on $1 a day. Hey, that's not how it ought to be. So goal 1, eliminate poverty.
Goal 2, root out hunger across the globe. There's 800 million people hungry if you want to know. Number 3 is health, a well-being, and getting people the health that they're needing. And learning and school are at the heart of goal 4. Education opens up minds and doors.
Goal number 5 is empower women so they can have the same rights that men are given.
Number 6, people need water that's clean. Poor sanitation can spread disease.
Carbon-free energy is goal number 7, and how to achieve it is the question that is pressing.
But if we put our minds together and work hard, we can find a solution, I'm guessing. 17 Sustainable Development Goals to improve life all around the globe. Protecting human health and the environment. Whatever that we make, we gonna have to lie in it, yeah. 17 Sustainable Development Goals to improve life all around the globe. Protecting human health and the environment. Whatever that we make, we gonna have to lie in it. Now imagine that you work all day for no pay. Economic growth and decent work is goal 8. Goal number 9 is the faster innovation in infrastructure and industrialization.
Goal number 10, inequality reduction. 11 is sustainable city construction.
12, well, that's sustainable consumption. So what we use matches up with production. Goal 13 calls for urgent action to combat climate change because we know it's happening. 14, protect life on the seas. 15, protect life on land. Goal 16 is for peace and justice. All over the planet they're in high demand. And the final goal, number 17, is a critical factor. The heart of the machine is the way we achieve these goals of sustainable development around the globe. 17 Sustainable Development Goals to improve life all around the globe. Protecting human health and the environment. Whatever that we make, we gonna have to lie in it, yeah. 17 Sustainable Development Goals to improve life all around the globe. Protecting human health and the environment. Whatever that we make, we gonna have to lie in it.
Now I would ask Anthony sir for pledge.
Good evening to one and all present here. Once again, we have gathered here for a cause to bring awareness. So I is here to take this pledge. So with the onset of several programs to sustain the resources, humanity and mankind, different nations and communities have set their goals and are even thriving to achieve them. So let us also take a pledge by endeavoring our soul, heart, and labor to achieve the undone. To bring the change, we will have to change. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. I'm sure you might have heard about the proverb, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But have you ever thought does it really happen? I don't think so, cause it never happened that I didn't got sick. So now let's see that what's Amrita's view on how we can make this proverb true.
Have you ever got sick or felt unwell? Yes, of course. Where did you went to get well and feel better? A hospital, right? But have you ever wondered why do we get sick?
Yes, it's because of dehydration, deficiency of vitamin and mineral, immune system disorder, germ, climate changes.
And what if I say I take an apple every day, as an apple a day keeps a doctor away? Apples are a great source of fiber and natural sugar. It helps us to boost our immune system and reduces inflammation. It also reduces the risk of many diseases like cancer, diabetes, etc. So, the fact is, I should not get sick, but I do. And the reason is my apple. The apple doesn't contain all that it should to make a person healthy. The farmer grows it on a fertile land, but ultimately gives it polluted water for irrigation, pesticides, insecticides which are poison substance, and a complete bad environment for its growth. And the reason for all such pollution are we humans. We are making our apple polluted, we are making our food polluted, we are making our land polluted, we are making our water polluted, we are making our air polluted, and we are the one who are making our planet polluted. Then we go to hospital for our health care. Does it have any sense? A big no. So my idea is to change health care into care health. Caring health is not just an attitude, it's a way to make a difference. Let's start caring health and take a step forward to conserve our soil, water, air and environment and make the apple nutritious. Let's take an initiative to make the proverb an apple a day keeps a doctor away true and make the planet learn to care health.
This was a small effort from our side, and we thank all of you for your time and valuable insights. Hope you had fun. I would also thank all the participants as this was impossible without their support and cooperation. Now, I would request respected Rajesh sir to share his view with us.
Thank you, Sonali. And once more, very, very good evening and Jai Hind to all my dear teachers and overall my dear kids. Wonderful presentation. Wonderful. Excellent effort done by all of you. Whether, dear kids, can you tell me, any time had you felt it was a virtual presentation? Had you felt?
Somehow.
Really, because due to a small network error. Otherwise, it was planning was so perfect, coordination was so okay that it was never seemed it is a. ऐसा लगा कि हम annual function पे बैठे हैं, and really it was our small annual function, and you proved it true. Do you know, dear, when we got this project as a challenge, then there was a doubts in our mind whether we will able to perform virtually or not. That's why if all of us teachers done themselves and then we thrown it to you and result in front of you. Always Anthony sir was saying, sir, it is delaying, but it will be perfect. And see the result. Thank you, Anthony sir, due to your proper guidance and also subject teachers, but overall it all total effort and credit going to you people. You've done very well. Dear, hope now
Sir,
you
the journey,
understood the. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
this journey of being an online class teacher, it gives me a privilege and being blessed that I have such lovely students with me.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. Really, you are right, sir.
Especially the initiative taken by Devangi and all the other participants.
Yes.
They had
Really.
they have put their heart and soul and effort so that we could be one of the best in presenting ourselves. Thank you, Devangi, and your team.
Yeah. Always ready to take the responsibilities. Always. Next time, I don't know in class 8 it is possible or not, because annual is just knocking. From 10th, your graded exams and going to start, and from 17th, the written will be a start. But even though, if there will be any presentation, we are expecting some more students. That was only missing. Rest everything was okay. Anthony sir, how you plan? मतलब कि who was the main leader?
Main leader here was Devangi. Okay, sir. Devangi, and then we created a group. In that group, I had involved everyone to share their templates, videos, and all. And Devangi was collecting all this. Okay. And then we had taken up sessions. The script in all was written by Devangi.
Okay.
Okay. In which I had also told that I in between whatever I will be doing. So like this, we had a meeting, Zoom meetings, and we discussed with each other. Great going, HC.
Thank you, Anthony sir, and thank you, class 8C. It was nice. It was good, planned. Everything was perfect. Dance, especially the dance and the painting of Anjali was remarkable. Whether the thoughts given by Amrita, everything. I am sorry if I have missed anyone's name, but it was marvelous. Very good. Thank you, Anthony sir. From my side, it's okay. Just wait 1 minute, Anthony sir. Dear kids, hope yesterday you got an Google form regarding we are going to, for your parents, we are going to do some bath. That is, you can say parents forum name we have given, but it is a samvad. It means here about to pass, but we have never met. Occasionally, sometime we meet with your parents. For meeting, we want to what they are feeling, what is their demand, because there no, it is transition period. You will go in class 9, and like the changes you felt from class 5th to 6th, same problem, not problem, same scenario will come from class 8 to 9. So might be some of things you have shared to with your parents. So what is their demand? What we have done in the session, whether they were satisfied or not, so that we can do, because definitely next year for class 9th will be offline from the beginning of the session. आगे भगवान ना करे कि ऐसी कोई अनहोनी हो जाए जो कि यहाँ पे, राइट? तो
I think so, Rajesh sir.
Anthony sir, how many? 2 from class 8C?
How many? 5.
5, but
5 of
but 5 out of 5 only 2 has given their consent. Yes, we will join. So might be some of you.
No,
have
yes,
not
yes, they have given, sir. 5 out of 5 they have given yes. I have noted it down also. Ashwani, Achyuta, Vansh, Devangi, Sonali, twice she has registered. So 5 it is. All have given yes. I think so. Rajesh sir is disconnected. Rashi ma'am, Riturani ma'am, any comments?
No, sir. It's. I'll just say they have done a wonderful job. Only a bit of network issues. I'll be talking to Devangi for it later. And otherwise, it was wonderfully planned. Their efforts were visible. If I talk about the video presentations, raps, Abhishek's songs, sketch made by Anjali, essay written by Devangi, presentation by Devangi, and if I'm missing others, I'm sorry, Guru Nandan's presentation, everything was well planned. The dance that they did was wonderful. Yes, we didn't enjoy the moves, but I'll be suggesting Devangi what to do for that. Otherwise, it was perfect.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening and Jai Hind, all of you.
Riturani ma'am.
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir. Hello, all of you.
Sorry, ma'am,
First
I
of
could not
all-
attend yours.
It's okay, sir. But see, I am here. Okay, I did my presentation, class presentation. Still, I am here. And I attended
No, I thought
since.
of joining, but oh,
It's okay, sir. It's okay. It happens. But yeah, because this class is really close to me and my heart. Okay, so I will never miss a chance to meet them and to appreciate them. Although they are like, it's good, you all are developing, and I would say, like, you all are developing in a better way, like becoming more and more like better half of yourself. Okay, so it was quite, refreshing to see you all, as well as Devangi, always the leader of the class. Okay, the class monitor and everything from my days. So she will always do that. Guru Nandan, for the first time. Okay, otherwise he was the chupchap Charlie in my class, sir. उसे बोलना पड़ता था, गुरु नंदन कुछ बोलो, and he will be
he had
like,
taken
no,
the
ma'am.
initiative.
But good to see you and well presented. Apart from that, Amrita, Anjali, everyone, whosoever has presented their presentation, drawing, different methods, performance. It was really amazing. Amazing. Good to see you all. Thank you.
Even the
Thank you,
song
all
sung
of
by
you.
Abhishek, even the song sung by Abhishek and Anjali sketching. Brilliant
Yes,
work
sir.
done,
Yes, sir.
8C.
I was enjoying all the things. Thank you, all of you.
Welcome, welcome, ma'am. So, shall we end the meeting now? Rajesh sir is not here,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Okay.